Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today we're going to continue with the tool making for the kitchen gantry pot holder build. So we're going to be making a hardy rivet header, a handheld rivet header, so I'll be upsetting a little bit of this to get me closer to that size, so it won't take that much work. This is mild steel, should hold up reasonably well. I'm also going to make a header plate slash bolster so we can form the rivets that we're going to use. And I'm also making a ball tool because I need to make the ball depression in here, so I'm going to be forging one end of this down to about 1/2 inch or so, 12 millimeters, give or take a little bit, and then grinding a ball, heat treating, and then we'll at least have a ball punch of appropriate size. This is currently, I believe, 15 millimeters. Yes, this is 15 millimeter coil spring. So let's get things hot and let's have some fun. So we're going to make the ball punch first so that we can get that into the vermiculite for a bit of an anneal prior to heat treatment and grinding. Drawing the end down till we've got something approaching about the 12 millimeter mark. And we've burnt it. Off the burnt bit. going to use the smallest groove in the swage block as a way to pre-form so we can pre-form the ball so there's less grinding. So the aim is to get that shank down to a point where it fits in here or in the other angle. Getting there. Alright, let's get that fit finalised. Alright, that's a pretty good shoulder. Alright, let's try these out. Okay. Okay. Alright, that works. I have to be a little more careful. The placement, that works. Nice! I like that. Cool. Alright, let's straighten this thing out so we can make it into what it's supposed to be. Straight. So we're just drawing the temper on this, so we're just watching the colours run. We're starting to see a little bit of colour change. So it's starting to go a bit straw there. So that's a pale straw now. Which means it's about 220 degrees Celsius at the end there. It's getting into a full straw now. Being a fairly big tool, and for hot work, I don't think we need to take it much further than this. Alright, let's chill that one off. So, I've got the starts done, so all I have to do is center this and hammer. For this one it'll go in here, and just whack, whack, whack. Pretty close, almost full depth. Alright, I think that's it. Off center. But I think we can live with that. one's ready to cool off. Okay, so that's the ball punch made, and with that we made the header set. So this one is a Hardy tool and this one is a handheld header. Along the way I tried out the decorative spring swage I made the other day, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Larger hammer would probably help so I can get it initiated with more certainty. There's a few little misstrikes, but I think with a bit of practice that's actually going to work out quite well. Also made a bolster plate. Now it's just drilled, which means the holes aren't tapered, which means things may get stuck. What I might do is if I've got to punch the right size, I'll just punch out or drift out the base underside just a little bit, just to give a bit of clearance. But realistically, if I keep it over the Pritchell hole, then I shouldn't end up upsetting any inside here that I can't drive out again, I hope. We'll see how it goes. So that pretty much completes the tooling required for the open hearth pot gantry project. This isn't actually required for that, that was required for making tools for that. So the next installment will be starting actual work on the project. I now have a Patreon, the link is down below. So if you'd like to make a donation to the channel, I'd be very, very grateful for that. It helps me work towards better recordings via changes such as different equipment, better equipment, microphones, soundproofing, which is something I'm working on at the moment, just to cut down on that road noise that you can always hear. Any donation is just that, a donation. The content will always be free. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribed. And don't forget, when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. So get out to your shop, have fun, but do stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.